Wednesday night, the fight against crime has never looked better as Lonnie Anderson and Linda Carter star in the series premiere of 50-50.
Partners in the Raymond Dashiell Caulfield Detective Agency.
Take one murdered private detective.
Would he leave his agency to two incompetents?
His two gorgeous widows.
My nightgown wouldn't fit you because, well, we're not built the same.
And you're in for one deadly mystery.
I want it. Turn it over now.
Turn what over?
Turn your dial to Channel 9 for 50-50, 7:30 Wednesday.
I saw something I shouldn't have.
Like what?
A murder.
Cloud, shut up another police car.
I can bring Bonnie back alive, ready to tell you everything that she knows.
You're going out after Bonnie Foster is like sending Custer after Sitting Bull.
But he's authorized a $10,000 reward for the trucker that locates McCloud and the girl.
He's armed, dangerous, wanted for killing a deputy.
I want them brought in alive.
I'm giving my men orders to shoot to kill. I'll be $10, Chief.